Hi and welcome to Case Club. Today we'll be reviewing our folded Ruger Precision Rifle case. It's designed to hold your Ruger Precision Rifle in the folded position and will accommodate any caliber. First, we'll go over the layout of the foam and then the features of the case. When your case arrives, you'll need to remove the foam plugs. It can hold your Ruger Precision in the folded position, a semi-auto pistol, 3 to 5 rifle magazines, 4 pistol mags, the bolt assembly, 1 included silica gel canister to help prevent rust, and 1 included accessory box, along with a cutout for miscellaneous accessories. The foam is pre-cut with a variety of perforations that ensure all your gear fits regardless of accessories. For example, to fit a scope or underbarrel attachment, you'll need to connect the existing foam perforations and remove these pieces. Our engineers have included perforations for a variety of gear, including optics for above the rifle and accessories for below the rifle, such as bipods. For larger caliber rifles with a longer barrel, perforations in the foam here as well allow you to customize the case to your specific firearm. If you do not have a scope or specific accessory, the perforated foam can be left in place. The perforations do not compromise the integrity of the foam and won't accidentally tear. To customize the foam to fit your pistol, simply connect the perforations here as well. It can hold the bolt assembly, along with a cutout for miscellaneous accessories. For small items, we've included a waterproof accessory box with a dedicated cutout. Our engineers have included perforations for a variety of gear, including optics for above the rifle and accessories for below the rifle, such as bipods. For larger caliber rifles with a longer barrel, perforations in the foam here as well allow you to customize the case to your specific firearm. For example, to fit a scope or underbarrel attachment, you'll need to connect the existing foam perforations and remove these pieces. The perforations do not compromise the integrity of the foam and won't accidentally tear. The foam in the base is made out of a non-abrasive, military-grade polyethylene, which is known for its ability to absorb shock, and it's closed cell, so it won't absorb liquid and you can easily wipe it away. Around the perimeter of the lid is a gasket seal, which makes the case 100% waterproof. The foam in the lid is made of a combination of polyethylene and a much softer convoluted polyurethane, whose ridges help to secure everything in place. The case features 4 snap latches with positive feedback, 2 metal reinforced padlockable holes for added security, a manual pressure relief valve so that the case can be opened at any altitude. The case exterior has a light orange peel texture to help guard against scratches. In the back there are 5 strong mechanical hinges with stainless steel pins, 2 of which are one-way so that they cannot be tapped out. The case also features feet so that it can stand upright on its own, and 3 handles. The front handle is wide to allow for grip adjustment if the load is uncentered, and the 2 handles on the side are great for a 2-person lift after a long day at the range. All 3 handles fold down to stay out of the way when not in use. Exterior case ribs help to protect the shell and provide deflection points when the case is being shipped. And lastly, wide-bodied wheels with stainless steel ball bearings will glide over both smooth and rough terrain with ease. You can find this case and many more at caseclub.com, the industry-leading manufacturer of cases and custom foam. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.